my rolling.
Yep.
Yeah, sick. Alright.
Alright, let's go. Try not to get wet.
Hope we don't. Oh, I don't know about you, but I'm already wet sweat, mate. No.
That's slippery, bro, so be careful.
Spread them. No.
Slippery as, man.
See, short legs sometimes is a plus.
Short legs, but big mouth.
Hey, get Nick. Look who's talking.
This is going to have a... Actually, I might go across here where it's drier. It's going to say this time we're going to go well or something bad.
That's alright, I'll get on camera, man. You'll be like YouTube celebrity. Damn it.
So before we come down to the bottom there.
Yeah.
Easy way home.
Yeah, oh yeah. There you go.
Yeah, so this is where the other waterfalls flow down here as well.
Yeah. Check out the hole there. I wonder if that goes right through.
Nah, just one page in.
Gay.
Pretty much. This looks wet, so I'm going to fucking take the time here.
Oh yeah.
Definitely slippery. I'm trying to think if we go this way or... That is pretty slippery, so you breathe that way. See another route?
Unsure. You reckon we could double around?
Probably better than going this way.
Yeah, I wouldn't go down there though.
Here I'll have to learn my work route from this thing.
Hey. When we get back to the car, we should just probably go along the bloody top, eh? Whoa.
The art of drunken monkeys.
Well, I don't know. It looks a bit bloody hard over here.
Yeah?
Yeah. Whoa, stop sliding, you bastard. Jesus. Whee. Yeah, good luck with that. There's not really much area to bang your feet on.
Nature's stairway, mate.
Yeah.
Till you get wet.
Aye.
Same thing, slippery.
Yeah. See, who the hell needs bloody rope, eh? One, two, three. Ain't this where you just tried to bloody cross? Holy shit, this is bloody slippery.
Different when you're there.
Yeah. Alright, where the hell did you bloody step?
Me, I didn't.
What'd you do?
Oh yeah, I did. I just bear hugged and pulled myself up.
Yeah, right. Alright, I'm good.
Cardio.
Yeah, hey. Hey, whew. Yeah, I reckon we're gonna bloody sleep well tonight, eh? Oh shit, slipped.
So, we're going to have to go up here. Up there. I reckon. Yeah. That's what we're going to have to do.
Oh yeah, that looks sick. Cool, good enough. Whoa, Jesus Christ. Can't deny that bloody view though, eh? Hey.
Bit of slippery butt stuff here, bro.
Yeah. Thanks, Treat. Nice little anchor point there. And a branch I just went ass up over. Awesome. I made it. I made it. Cool. I'm going for a damn swim. Nah.
Still need to go as far as you can see that way.
Yeah. Alright, back on. Check that out. So, again, any trap? Nah. Where's the bloody red fin at? Nah.
Look how high the water is. The green's washed up.
Yeah, hey, birds will have a field day here.
Yeah,
look at all that
also,
freaking nest material.
Never step on that shit because you don't know if there's a drop underneath it.
Yeah, well look, there's a bloody hole like right there.
Exactly, man. Nothing's just whoop, disappearing.
Yeah. Shit, where'd he go? I'm down here!
You continue to wait between rocks and can't get out.
Oh, yeah. Nah, pass. Yeah, big bloody pass.
So I'm going to go into this middle and see if we can get across because we really want to be where that little beach area is there. We're on the other side to get this footage that I want to show you.
Yeah, we'll go like, up over there.
I'm not sure if you can get across there, so maybe you go that way, I'll go this way.
Nah, yeah,
And
alright.
we'll see what happens. I'll probably end up coming your way because I'm not like this watch so I can go far.
Hey, speaking of that story shit. Yeah.
That's why I sent you that way.
Oh, thanks, mate. Well, I haven't bloody fallen through it yet. Whoa, shit.
Nice bit of water here, bro. This looks cool.
Yeah, this is a little bit dodgy here too, man. So I made it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hey, cool, there's a little bloody pool here. Wicked. Can't see anything in there though.
Yeah. What you found there?
It's a little pool thing, man. It's like,
Here as well.
yeah, it's like black as crap though.
If you come across from down here, you have a wicked photo here of all this falling down to you, bro.
Yeah, yeah. Sweet. Oh yeah, awesome. Right here. Wicked. Ha! Hey, check it out. Someone's bloody graffitied or tagged or whatever just here.
Yeah. I got my own little beach, mate.
Hey?
Woo! Little beach here full of pebbles, man.
Oh, really? Oh. Oh, yeah. Now you gotta send me this way. Get Nick. No. So I'll see if I can cut across. I should be able to. Yeah, look.
Wait, go there and get a photo, bro. That's awesome.
Oh, yeah. If I don't go ass up in the bloody process. Like a damn genius. Oh, fucking Jesus Christ. Oh, yeah. Good plan, dude. Get out of the bloody shot. Hey, I like just trailing you with the camera. Get out of the bloody shot. Oh, hang on, I'll go landscape view. Yeah. Hey, I'll take one down here too. Nah. And boom, there we go. Got ya. You bastard. So I'll get down over here and come across. I want to have a look at the pebbles over on the beach. Whoa, Jesus Christ.
You need to get to me.
Hey?
You need to come to me, I'm going to take this wave to show you something.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Just come down here, cross there, cross there, cross there, you're here.
Can I get down here or what? Oh, Aggie's slipping. Nah, not getting down there. Hey? Oh yeah. Genius. Shut your fucking hole. No. I'm glad I'm setting this for adults, eh? Jesus.
Alright, now it's the photo moment, bro. That sun in the background.
Oh, you, whoa, Jesus Christ. Kodak, no.
That's perfect,
Yeah, that looks sick. I gotta put this up on the fishing group, eh? On Facebook. Considering it's been like... Oh yeah. Hang on. Hey, check this out. That's killer. Wicked. Yeah. Yeah, probably, because now I'm all like I'll fuck it up. It looks a bit bloody slippery here too. Woo! Look. Wait. Whoa, motherfucker. Cheers, bro. I appreciate it, mate. Glad you're not back, so otherwise I'd have to wash me bloody hands in acid now. That was a joke, everyone, by the way. Please don't get offended. Unless you're offense. No, bad joke. Spider-Man. Oh yeah, look at that.
We'll get right up under. See that rock formation that looks like a little cave?
Yeah.
You can sit under there where the water goes, man.
Yeah, right.
Like, we can keep going for kilometres and kilometres, but that's for another video, man.
Yeah,
We gotta go.
oh, hang on. I forgot to look at that damn beach.
There's another pretty killer beach up here.
Oh, let's go.
Whoa.
Hey, it'd be like the old days, man. Have a boom box banging on your shoulder. Boom, boom, boom. That'd be killer. Oh, yeah, that's way better. Give me a second. Yeah. Sweet. Hi. Ah, yeah. No. Yeah, I was going to say.
Man-made steps.
Yeah, nice ladder.
Wait, if you look over there, see on that rock how it's like you got the washout grooves and that?
Yeah.
Back in the days, man, people used to come out here when you couldn't swim in, and that'd be all algae and you'd slide down like a slip and slide and that.
Yeah.
Way before my time. But yeah, I've heard stories about people sitting in the slides and that before.
Watch this. Jesus, watch your bloody step, dude.
Oh, good, man. I'm just stretching.
Yeah. Alright, my turn to not watch me bloody step. Hello, Rock. You're a good friend, mate. Made it. Come on, you gotta cut me a bit of slack. It's been like 15 bloody years, alright? No. Hey, that means last time I was here, hey, I was like 21, man. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Bloody good sound too, eh?
Yeah, it's so peaceful, bro.
Yeah, oh, yeah. Instead of, oh, let's go to a shop mall. No. Hey. Close up.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So many good spots, man. You can come over here and get that angle here as well.
Wicked. Yeah, I already thought about that. That's why I'm coming this way. Ooh, shit. Jacket. Slippery. I forgot I had the basket sitting there.
How bloody good is this?
Oath, mate. Well done.
I knew you'd love it, man. I knew it.
Hey, look at all the bloody foam there.
Yeah.
So if it was clear water, right, I'd be like, yeah, find a flat spot on the rocks, chuck everything up there, fucking jump in.
That's what I mean. It's where people used to slide down. Yeah, that's real deep there, bro. Like really deep there.
Yeah.
Even that tree.
Aye.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Definitely got to bang these on the fishing group. If anyone's interested in that, it's the same as the YouTube channel on Facebook. Just type in Lightning's Fishing Adventures and you'll find it. Johnny is one of the admins, and you've seen the other bloke Adrian in the earlier videos. Got to do another video with him soon.
Yeah, soon. Yeah. I've got plenty of other spots to show you, man.
Yeah, he's been way too busy working, man. Poor bastard, working with chickens.
Yeah, no, stop that.
Yeah, nah. Yeah. So yeah, Adrian's another admin to the group as well, so we got a tight net running. If you have any awesome photos you want to share with people, if you do decide that you want to join, well, yeah, feel free to post, because you know, I've left the posting open for everybody. If you want to share your memories, share videos or photos or whatnot. I don't even know if they can hear me properly over this loud bastard.
They'll get the hint.
Yeah.
They'll just hear blah 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 blah, you know.
Yeah. Oi. Lie,
All you need to do is hear that.
Yeah.
Voices.
I reckon we sit here and soak it in for a couple of minutes.
Yeah, for ages, bro. So much cooler here too.
Fuck yeah.
Next minute you see a tide wave go over top of us.
Hey, man. Oh, shit.
But yeah, with these floods going on, this will probably be the last time I come through it like this for a while, because
Oh, yeah.
highly recommend, do not do this. We're stupid for doing it.
Yeah, what do you identify as? No, joking. Yeah, what he said.
I'm a shin.
You're a shin. No.
Man by day, lady by night.
How you going, shimmy?
Nah, but all seriousness, like summertime, so I bring kids through. No
Tell you what,
there's
man.
barely no water in summertime, man. It's pretty much dry, and it's
Yeah, hey, imagine if it just absolutely pisses down. The water will probably be up here somewhere.
Well, like I said, I've fallen for that before and had to climb up the cliffs and walk 2 hours to get out of there because everything just started disappearing. What rocks were there that we came in were gone, and it's like, oh no, and they're starting to go. It's like, so we just had to get out as quick as we could.
Yeah, well, that's alright. I got my torch just in case we get stuck, so at least we'll have light.
Look, we've got a little bit more to go. I won't take you too much further. Even though it's good scenery, it's still a long walk, so we'll probably head off to the pass soon and maybe do a part 2 in a couple of weeks when we know the flood water's not going to be too drastic coming through here or whatnot.
Yeah.
Because there is, like I said, I know you love your photography. There are some spots up here that will blow your mind, bro.
Yeah. Oh, can we stand up there?
Yeah, I'm going to take you up to the spot up here and then we're going to head from there.
Alright, cool, then I can look at this from the top down.
Man,
Alright, let's do it. Yeah. I'm down. And see, ladies and gentlemen, this is how you rock climb without any rope or harness. So if you're a Gen Z, I wouldn't recommend it because you'll probably end up dying or... Yeah, nah, shut up. Shut up, Josh.
There used to be graffiti with a red arrow here saying jump here back in the day. Carefully. Looking down here, bro. Amazing.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't get any better, bro.
Shit, let me slip. Check that out, everyone. Can't. Oh, okay, the brightness is up. Yeah. That is killer. Oh, damn it. Phone's still up. Tell you what, hey, we should go on those rock climber walls. Oh, mate, you need a harness? Nah, we're good. So, have you seen the crap we climb? Nah.
I'm used to it, man. I come out here pretty regular, and like I said, when it was like full time at the gym with the mate, we used to come out into the cardio and jump the water first at him. Down at Sam, up to Samuel.
Yeah. Hey, check this one out, man.
That's killer, man.
Yeah. See, get on the group and you see photos like this eventually, but I'll remind you what this when we get away from the raging water, so that in case you can't hear us properly. I don't bloody know. But hopefully you're enjoying this POV.
Water's so nice and cool, man.
Look at that. Yeah. Wicked.
And there's that rock there.
Yeah.
That is deep there, man. Like, if it wasn't like raging, you could jump off into this. The GoPro view.
Yeah, yeah. Just make sure it's on a bloody rope, though.
Have a look at that rock, man. The water's gone red.
Hang on. Dude, that is dope. Alright, good, thank you. Jeez.
You can see from here, but standing here, I can see how far drive all the way back there.
Yeah, they probably won't be able to pick that up on the GoPro, man.
Look at the water over there, it looks like blood.
Hey?
Water. Must be sap or something washed down, see it down here?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, right, what the?
That's where the last tourist I took through here.
Oh, there you go, how's that? Zoom right in, man. Yeah, that's the last person that done what we did, but with no experience, so they kind of slipped and went head first, and that's what's left of them. See, hey, the birds peck the rest, and oh, you know, they gotta eat. Hey?
The water flushed.
Yeah. Yo, that's killer.
Mate, there's no better seat in the world than right here.
Hope everyone's enjoying this. This is wicked.
You've got to come and sit here, man. Perfect.
Hey, check it out, little cave thing there too, man.
I can't even hear you.
Huh? I said there's a little cave thing just here too, water running out.
Lovely. So good.
Damn, that's a bright bastard. Sorry.
Best seat in the house there, mate. I'm telling you, you won't find any better.
Yeah. I was just waiting for you to move so I can get down.
It's like perfect carved out seating.
Oh, cool. Look, you even got a little grab point. Oh, yeah, look at that, everyone. That is, oh shit, boots wet. Hey man, how you doing? Just give me a sec. I gotta get the torch on it. Dash. Hell yeah. I've never seen this car, hey. Hey. Yeah. Listen to that and how relaxing is that, everyone? Oh, good, there's me there. Oh, hello. Ah, I can't get it out. There's a nice bit, have a look here, nice big chunk of quartz here.
What is that?
Have a look, nice big... Damn it. Come on. Oh, I can move this little one, I think. Check it out.
Oh, right.
Yeah, bloody quartz, man. Hell yeah.
You said you dropped the torch, man.
Nah, quartz. Oh yeah, torch and quartz.
All you do is waterfall and quartz or torch.
Damn it, can't move it. Out. Ah, you.
Yeah.
Aye.
Look over there. Just need a rod now, just throw it in there.
Yeah, oh yeah, hell yeah. Oh, wicked little tiny little waterfall just there in front of me, man. That's sick. Hey, so what do you reckon I should call this one? Bullshit. For, I don't know, like rock climbing and waterfalls or what?
Who does that make you easy?
Oh, shut up. Woo. Thank Christ for stepping stones. Oh, wicked.
How good would it be, right, listen to me, 10 fire rods.
Yeah.
How good would that be? Now look behind you, man, look at that view.
Yeah.
Would you ask for anything more?
Nah. I'm kind of tempted to walk up there and walk up and just... I kind of can't be bothered.
If we go back to the car, we can go to the top of this side. There's a trail along there.
Yeah, it's way cleaner than the bloody river, but it's still bloody putrid, man.
Yeah, in when it's not so like washed out, I guess you'd say, you can actually see through it.
Yeah, right. Hope everyone's enjoying this. I want to walk along the water and see if there's any more dope points.
So good, bro. So good.
Ah, man, if this was down low, we could get out right on that rock there.
Yeah.
Any teddies?
Yeah, I've just seen something scoot through here. I think it might have been those little fish that we've seen before. I know. It's a bug.
Yeah, I wonder if they actually were bloody minnows, man.
Down the bottom creek, I definitely know you get carp there. I've got them there before.
Hey.
Down the bottom creek where we first started, I
Yeah.
definitely 100% there's carp in that one. I'm not sure what would be in itself.
Hey, we should work at Mythbusters, you know why?
That
Everyone thinks Jesus is special because he walked on water. Ta-da!
now take a step, 2 steps to the right, Josh.
Hang on. Okay, now what? No.
3 steps straight ahead.
Nah. Nah. See, like, my powers only have a very small,
Right.
limited range,
You
mate.
could have a rope swing there and all, baby.
Yeah.
This is too good. Too good now. Too good.
There he goes. Ah, sucker. I got that on film. Hey, that's alright. I've got a slipping a couple of times on her, I reckon. Hey, it's good for a laugh. Nah, you gotta keep ourselves entertained, man.
Shit, nothing to me, man.
Not yet. Nah. Cool. Hey, take this home for the missus. She likes quartz and that as well. Ugh. Oh yeah. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, I want to take a big chunky bastard home. Whoa, shit. See, I just slipped again. Haha.
Catch. Oh, I just broke it.
I can't catch and lean over this when you don't even make the freaking distance. Oy, crap. Nice. Can I break this one? Yep. Woohoo! Bloody shattered. Whoa. There we go. Slipping again. Yeah, why? It's because we're near the bloody end of it. Starting to get clumsy as shit now. Hey, look at this big chunker.
Nice big one.
Yeah. See? Natural stuff. Love it. There you go, another big chunky. Mate, the missus is gonna bloody love me. Yeah, she doesn't yet, but she will. Hey, you know it'd be good with all this water here? Gold panning, man.
Well, it's quartz, it's usually gold, isn't it?
Nah, if there's, I think it's called pyrite, which is like fool's gold.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nature, man, you gotta love the shit. Oh, cool, look at that little bend. Wicked. Whoa.
Yeah, we're gonna
Oh man, check that out.
we got to scoot across there and pass that cliff. Just up over near that big gum tree is where we'll cross over.
Look at
that. Nice.
They're gonna look dope, man, when I bloody clean them up. Ha, cool.
Nearly at the end of this adventure.
Yeah, hey, this is going to take like 400 years to upload this shit.
Oh, well, you can do it on part 1, part 2.
Nah. So I got another full bottle of water in the car, so when we get there and I turn the camera off, big swig.
Yeah, you that buggered, bro.
Nah.
I'm not even tough now.
Nah, it's because all the sweat I bloody poured out earlier, man. Like you know, bloody. I just want to rehydrate. I'm fine now that we sat down for 10 minutes. My ass was pissed off, I think. Yeah. Huh. Wicked. Look at those natural rocks down there under the water.
Yeah.
Oh, killer as, man.
Give it like January, you'd be able to walk through this if you no water there.
Yeah, I know.
Wow. Usually, given the floods going on, God knows what's going to happen.
Yeah. Yeah, well, yeah, January we could be up here and we'll still be bloody swimming.
Yep. It's one of my favourite parts, man. I just love looking at stuff up.
Oh, yeah.
Northern Territory or something, bro. You know, you see on postcards and shit.
See, who the hell needs Ayers Rock? Look what we got in our backyard. Ah, what the hell? Oh, bloody box storm just got me. Bastard.
And you look up there, man. There's that one rock in between two rocks holding that big boulder up there.
Yeah. Fool you bastard. I want to get on film, but we'll have to, you know, phew, gone.
So good. This is probably one of my favourite parts now. I don't know why. I just love this spot here.
Oh yeah, the structure's killer, eh?
It is.
Like I said, who the hell needs bloody Ayers Rock?
Well, I wouldn't mind going Ayers Rock, but that's a pretty good view in our own backyard.
Oh yeah. What the f... Check that one out. Different.
There's one in there. I thought it was an egg at first. It's just a rock sitting in that grass like a nesty area.
Oh yeah. So everyone, I hope you're enjoying your half tour of the Mannum Waterfalls. Like I said, we only have to drive about 10 minutes up the road to get here, eh man?
Yeah.
It's good. This is why we will never live in any sort of city.
Bro, never.
Nah.
Like, even just having to go to the city to get stuff sometimes drives me insane.
Oh yeah, you're not the only one. I lived in Adelaide for 10 months, right, when I was 24. So back in 2010, it was like 10 months too long, man. I couldn't handle it. And hey, they don't even have savoury slices, right? You ask, so, what the hell, man? Like, you ask people and it's like, what's a savoury slice? What's a savoury slice? Are you serious, man? It's like the best crap ever.
I haven't lived in the city in about 26 years.
Yeah.
I was 12 when we left.
Never look back. Hey.
Thank God for that, man. Thank God for that.
Yeah, it's good being a bloody country boy, isn't it?
There's so much to do, man.
Oh, yeah. See, it's funny, eh? Hey, look, isn't that a beachy area?
My boys love coming through here with us, man. Love it.
Nah, bloody... Oh, hey, check this one out. It's full cream coloured, man. Hang on. But, you know, you don't get crap like this in bloody Adelaide. It's just all concrete and bloody
you can go to
buildings.
Morialta and stuff
Check
like
that
that,
out.
but yeah, that's a cool one.
Yeah. It almost looks like a fresh tooth that just come out. Might be one of mine, mate. No. So that's what happened. I went ass up on the rocks and got it knocked out.
And yes, this is the way to go. I'm not just making this up.
Oh, but why? It's fun, man.
There's another natural washout there, like little pool in the rocks.
Hey. I like going the hard way.
I can tell.
Oh yeah, I got all my energy back now.
Alright, can we jog through here then?
See ya. Ain't that bloody fit, you bastard. And ladies and gentlemen, check it out. From the back it looks like we're both wearing kilts, see? Yeah, I have. No, I don't care what it is. It is. It is what it is. Yeah, that.
Nearly there, mate, nearly there.
Aw, no.
Down this corner and we're done.
Oh, cool. Wow. I'm still looking for pretty stuff. Nah, whoop, shit, hey, I just stepped on a bloody stick, this thing. Oh, hang on. Just stepped on this. It was like this way as a step, it was like, what? Oh shit. Fish! Nah. Yeah, it's like a lot of bloody people, you know, when they go to the reservoirs and that, right? Speaking of fishing, it's like, oh yeah, cool, look how many fish I got. Right? And most of them use bloody fish finders. So bugger that. Part of the fun's hunting them down and looking for them, man. Hey, I ain't using a bloody fish finder. If I don't catch anything, I don't catch anything. If I do, cool, wicked, school the readies. Bang, got him, got him, got him. Nah. Oh yeah. Hey, this is cool. Can't see, sun. Oh, cool. Oh yeah, look at that. Now I'll get the sun there. Don't know if you can see the gleaming and stuff on it. Sick. Cheers, brother. God, that bug is bloody bright. Damn. Whoa. Whee. People are gonna hate this part. Bloody getting blinded probably. That's why I'm looking down trying to avoid the damn sun. Yeah, yeah. Whoo, nearly face planted. Thanks, Treat. Whoa, shit. Woo! No, I'm going down this way.
This is the bridge across. Usually when this has got a bit of water, you can only get across this part. You can't get across now, alright?
Hey, look, another bloody death trap. Oh, no. Disappointing. You sturdy? Good. Gotta love this scenery, man.
So good.
Oh, yeah. Holy Jesus. Oh, killer. Hey? Hey, I gotta show you these two, man, when we get back, right? Because where the sun is, it's still shadowy and shiny and that looks killer. Smile, mate. Got you, bloody vaping. Oh, you know what we forgot to do? Get a photo of one of us in the bloody front of the waterfall, man. It's just put on Facebook. Yeah, nah.
Pretty long walk, right?
Hey.
You have these things on a know when you can make it.
Look at that. That's bloody awesome, man. Wicked. Killer. Got. Got him. Oh, wicked. This would be fun. Well. How you going, shorty?
Another fun. fun part. We get to walk up all these hills till we get to the car.
Yep.
So whether you want to record it, it's up to you.
Oh. Yeah, because then we can get to the top and we can have a wicked view looking down at everything, hopefully.
Or you can stop and start up there, it's up to you.
Yeah. Might as well let people enjoy the view. Or, you know, whatever.
There's you guys a mile behind.
Hey, snake, catch. Damn it.
If there was a snake, I knew you would have said snake catch.
Oh, look, there it is. Bastard's tailing us. See you, mate. Go away. Oh, buckthorn, bitch. I feel that in the morning. Woo! Get out, you bastard. Coo-wee. Whoa, hey, this poor bugger's seen better days, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Damn. Oh, look at that, even got steps.
Right, come this way.
Yeah, smart move.
These hills, when you get to the top, are the best part because that's when the cool air starts hitting you again in summer.
Yeah, yeah.
You get that bit of a breeze with that fence.
Oh crap. Ah. Was that yours or mine? Ha ha. Stop stalking me, man. Hey, how's it go? I claim this land in the name of, well, water. No.
Not too hard and that'll probably fall over.
Yeah, that's right. We can watch it just go crack.
No one of your favourite bushes there.
Yeah.
Little box on.
Look at that view, man.
We're still got a ways to go, bro. Down over here, that's a bit hard stuff here on the old calf muscle.
Bastard got me.
Really?
Yeah.
You guys are worse off the box on, man.
Oh, I used to live on a bloody.
Box on.
Ah, shut your face. Hey, look, stingy metal. I used to live on a alpaca farm, right, just outside the bridge.
I don't want to know what you did.
It was a very woolly experience. No.
Anyway, go ahead.
And yeah, bloody, my mate's granddad came down, right, and we went out to the paddocks picking mushies, and yeah, and yeah, we had to go through box thorns, man. I copped one straight to the freaking face. Yeah, it was like right just under the cheekbone.
Do
Just
you want to go
bang.
down this gully or you want to cross where it's lower down there? It's up to you.
What's the car just up here?
Up over a couple more hills.
Huh? Oh yeah. Wait, is that it over there? No.
Not that far, thank God. I guess we're going down.
Yeah, yeah, I'm not worried, man.
There is just an actual was. I don't know if there was a path there.
Oh well, who cares? We're making one.
Something's come through here. All the reeds are pushed forward, so something definitely came through here.
Yeah, probably stampede of freaking goannas. Bottle just slapped me leg. Awesome.
What did you say? You almost did.
Nah, I said the bottle just slapped me leg.
Oh, I thought you said almost snapped your leg.
Nah, been there, done that, not again. Left shin, man. 4 months in plaster for that one. Bastard. Oh shit.
See how the trees splintered up there? It wouldn't surprise me if that was a lightning strike either.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like it, eh?
Oh yeah.
Well, smithos.
It's bloody rocks. See, went out in the bush. Watch where you're stepping. So like walking through here staring at your phones. No. Yeah, going face first in the fountains and walking in the Stobie poles and tripping over gutters. Nah. So having a bloody coffee when I get home. Get some damn energy back.
You should start killing the burn soon.
Yeah. Probably your missus, mate. Oh, that's alright, she'll kill you.
No, hey,
check that out.
That's how far we already came, bro. That's that spot that I said the rock's holding up the rock with another rock.
Yeah. Yeah, that's killer, eh?
Not bad.
You know it's coming. Screw it, good enough. Oh man, imagine doing what we just did if you were half cut.
Oh, it's horrible. You definitely need to be set fit to do this now.
Oh yeah.
Just stuck the walking trails on top, not too bad. Doing what we just did is definitely part of their workout.
Oh yeah, bloody hell. It looks like I might be a bit fitter than what I thought, eh? Still not very freaking fit though. Bastard.
If I was usually leaving, I'd go that way to the car, but you want to get shocked off of this cliff, so
yeah.
we'll take this back.
Cheers, bro.
Quickly too.
Hey?
This stuff here, this green bushes are quickly.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. Check that out. Yeah, cool.
Be careful getting to the edge because your feet are obviously slippery.
Oh, well, yeah, mud.
I just don't want you to slip, man.
Right, this will do, right here.
Right there, there's land there, you can stand right there.
Oh, that's alright, this is alright. Have a look.
No.
Oh, shut up. Oh, look, I can see right here.
Oh, bro, look at that.
See, you won't get views like this in Adelaide or in any city. That is awesome. Hey, are you glad we ain't scared of heights, man? Hey, look, another decent crack. Cracks are great.
I suppose we haven't seen a rabbit or a roo yet, normally do.
Oi, they're gotta be wicked photos, man. Let's sneak past you for a sec. So, see if I zoom out here. Oh yeah, hey, look at that. Yeah. Let's get this part here. Zoom out, you bugger. Dude, I'm so looking forward to putting these on the bloody group, eh? Huh? Yeah, nah, I'm good. You don't have to put a bloody rope behind me, like, you know, around me freaking waist, man. It's alright, hold it tight, but not too tight. I don't want to go flying backwards. Nah, might hurt a bit.
Doesn't that make you feel shit when you look how far we still got to go?
Ah, that's what, a few Ks?
Yeah, but the hill right at the end of the track there, you can see there's what kills you at the end, man.
Oh yeah, I know.
It's like your calves are already sore. Where you wanted to go across before, this is straight across, but I don't know if you want to get too close. You do you, but I'm good.
Ah, screw it. We got decent bloody footage. See, it's not fishing or yabbing or shrimping or anything like that. But you know, the YouTube channel is called Lightning's Fishing Adventures, and that's what we're taking you on, an adventure. Yeah, that's alright. Man, people that don't see nature, oh, not nature, jeez. You know, bloody people that don't see nature much, man, they're gonna bloody love this. Oh yeah. Just put in first gear and ride up that steep bastard there. Hey, dirt bike would be wicked fun through here. You'd have to go real slow down this bit though.
Apparently it's slippery there.
Oh, what gives that away?
Someone's gone ass up there.
No, it wasn't us, who cares? Whoa. Speaking of nearly going ass up.
Looks so different from up here compared to when you're
Oh yeah, man. Still wicked bloody view though. Hey, just stand here for a second, I reckon, just soak it in before, you know, we get back to life and crap.
And forward drive out of here.
Yeah. Killer.
So quiet, all you can hear is water and that one crow.
Yeah, bloody great, isn't it? Oh, cool.
Could you imagine a gunshot echoing through here?
Oh yeah,
like
yeah, that'd be
like full echo.
yeah, just freaking boom, boom, boom. The sound of bloody stick around for a good oh shit, for a good bloody 5 seconds, I reckon. Hey, just like boom. Hey, there's that bloody big ass rock pool. Have a look.
Yeah.
See it over here?
We were literally just walking near those weeds. That's where I said don't step into it.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I love that bloody rock pool over there, eh?
It's awesome.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, this is it, everyone, because the cars, we can't see it now because of the bloody trees in the damn way.
Straight through them trees, up the hill.
Out. Yeah, over there. So yeah.
You can actually
Probably
see the main road back there, see the truck.
Yeah. Yeah, anyway, that's it. That wraps this little adventure up. I hope you enjoyed the Mannum Waterfalls and a bit of full driving. Car's just over there, so now we're gonna skedaddle. Oh, that sounds a bit poofy. So yeah, now we're gonna piss off. There you go. But yeah, we'll see you in the next video, and we hope you liked it. If you did, yeah, why not subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and set the bell, or hit the bell. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. So peace and tight lines.
See you guys. You.
Bye.